Tuttavia,
is a common Italian conjunction composed of the words
tutta,
the feminine form of
tutto,
meaning everything, and
via,
path or way. Because it's fairly formal, it's used much more often in writing than in speech.
tuttavia.
There are many possible translations for this word in English, including however, yet, but, nonetheless, still, and despite. Whichever translation you choose, the important thing to remember is that the purpose of tuttavia is to connect two statements that contrast with or contradict each other. For example,
Hai combinato un bel casino, tuttavia sono disposto a darti un'altra possibilità.
you really messed up. However, I'm willing to give you another chance. Some possible synonyms for tuttavia in Italian include
Però,
but,
ma,
but,
ciò nonostante,
nevertheless,
eppure.
yet, or still. In literature, you may also encounter the archaic expression,
Tuttavia che,
which is synonymous with the expression
ogni volta che.
every time that.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.